The Indian Railways is the backbone of India's economy. Operated by the Ministry of Railways, it is one of India's oldest and most revered institutions. It manages the fourth largest railway network in the world. Such a large network requires over 70,000 running coaches in order to provide a safe, secure and punctual travelling experience to the public. The IR achieves that through coach factories located across the country. In 2007, the modern coach factory at RAIBARELI was set up to manufacture modern coaches. The factory is unique for being completely automated. It is the most automated production facility for manufacturing heavy vehicles in India. In addition to the state-of-the-art production facilities, the factory is also home to a training center that promises to become a center of excellence in the field of automated manufacturing. The Mechatronics Lab and the Automation Lab are some of the facilities in this training center. These labs are utilized for upgrading skill in the latest technology for rolling stock manufacturing. The Mechatronics Lab is designed to skill MCF staff in the exciting field of mechatronics, which is increasingly recognized as a contemporary, integrative methodology used for manufacturing. Mechatronics is a synergistic integration of mechanical engineering, control theory, computer science and electronics to manage complexity, uncertainty and communication in engineered systems. The typical knowledge base covered comprises system modeling and analysis, decision and control theory, pneumatics, hydraulics, programmable logic control, sensors and signal conditioning, actuators and power electronics, and hardware interfacing used to optimize the production process. The Automation Lab contains a plethora of systems, simulators and equipment that will utilize the mechatronics knowledge base to design automation solutions in a production facility. This lab contains robots of various types, including pick-and-place robots commonly used in production activity, and humanoid robots that are now becoming common in all fields of life. The Automation Lab will help in transforming production technology that makes it possible to gather and analyze data across machines, enabling faster, more flexible and more efficient processes to produce higher quality goods at reduced costs. This is the foundation of the new digital industrial technology, that is, Industry 4.0. This manufacturing capability will help the Indian Railways increase productivity, shift economics, foster growth, and modify the profile of the workforce, ultimately changing the competitiveness of the manufacturing units of the Indian Railways. With the capacity to produce high-speed stainless steel coaches, the modern coach railway factory is already one of the most productive facilities of the Indian Railways. Its focus on automation has meant that it now also serves as a center for excellence in training for world-class coach manufacturing.
MCF has also developed a center of excellence in automation, robotics and mechatronics. It is expected that MCF will become a central hub of Indian Railways for training its staff in advanced fields of automation and robotics.